Hello friend, good morning. Jai Swami Narayan. So, Standard 5th, Chapter 1. Okay. Standard 5th Computer, Chapter 1. History of Computer. History of Computer. So, in nowadays, the computer we use today very different from the earlier devices. Okay. We are using a like laptop, desktop, like tablet, mobile, all these things are the invention. But in earlier version, these are the all the types of computer are different. Okay, this was a different. So we will see about the history. What was the history about behind the computer? Okay, how invention? Okay, and who is invention of this? Okay, so there are different computer. Okay, in earlier days. So we will see first is a first one is earlier early calculating devices is abacus. First was abacus. Okay, so we will see the how abacus works. See here, you can see here abacus. Okay, so this type of machine are abacus. This is the calculating devices. Okay, the first was this abacus. Okay, all that different see you can see here abacus. Okay, so this counting devices. Okay, you can count like this way, start from 1 2 3. Okay, all these things. So these are the basic abacus. Okay, so this was the first basically devices. Okay, second is a Pascal adding machine. Second one is a Pascal adding machine. So we'll see Pascal adding machine like this way. After abacus, the second device is like this. Okay, the Pascal adding machine. In this machine, you will see the different numbers is given. Okay, here okay, and calculating like this way. See here, this ring will move. Okay, round and round, and some calculation will completed. Okay, so these are the different devices. Okay, so this is the Pascal adding machine. Currently, this kind of device is not usable. Okay, for computer. Okay, so this is a calculating machine. Third one is Lebanese computer. Calculator. Lebanese calculator. The third one is a Lebanese calculator. So you will see the how Lebanese is looking. Okay, uh, see the different images. Okay, Lebanese calculating. See, after inventing the third device is like look like this. Okay, so you can see the like piano harmonium type, like a piano type. Okay, so this is the all the devices uh, like this. You can see here in a calculation. Okay, given different see, we will see the visual zoom and see some maybe Lebanese calculator high resolution stock photography. Okay, you can see the high resolution of photography in using these devices. So these are the Gottfried Leibniz, German mathematician, invented this kind of devices for using calculating or computers. Next one is an analytical engine. Next one is what? Analytical engine. Next one is a analytical engine. See, look like this. This is all are the analytical engine using for calculating any numbers. Okay, or look like this analytical engine like a train engine. Okay, see, you can see the different analytical engine. Charles Babbage invented this. The Charles Babbage is the father of computing. Okay, father of computer. So this he's invented this analytical engine in 1837. 1837. Okay, so this kind of analytical engine. Okay, and next is a electronic computing devices. There are some after invention these electronic computing devices like ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and calculator. ENIAC, so electronic numerical integrator and calculator. Okay, and second one is UNIVAC, one universal atomic computer. Second one is UNIVAC one atomic universal atomic computer. Okay, one. So these are the all the previous version of computer. Okay, Abacus, Pascal, adding machine, Leibniz calculator or analytical engine. In 1837 Charles Babbage was invented analytical engine called a computer. Okay, so here there are basically five different generation of a computer. Okay, in a five generation of computer, the first generation is a time period is a 1940 to 1956. 1940 to 1956, the first generation of a computer. Okay, the first generation of 1940 to 1956. Okay, and in this generation of computer using a vacuum tube, component is a vacuum tube, using a what, vacuum tube. And for example, for this computer, okay, EDSAC, UNIVAC. Okay, second is UNIVAC. Okay, so these are the example of first generation of a computer. The second generation of a computer is 1956 to 63, 1956 to 1963, and uses a device is a transistor, using a device transistor. Okay, and IBM example is IBM 1401 and UNIVAC 1. Here UNIVAC first generation is UNIVAC only, and second generation is UNIVAC 1. Thus some changes may be in a UNIVAC 1. Okay, so these are the third generation, second generation, and now third generation is 1963 to 1971. Okay, integrated circuit, IC is an integrated circuit. Integrated circuit. Okay, and the example is the IBM 360. Okay, and IBM 370 series. Okay, so these are the some example of a, see in this example is a integrated circuit. Okay, and IBM 360 and IBM 370. The fourth generation is 1971 to present. Fourth generation is 1971 present. Okay, so we are using this kind of fourth generation computers. Okay, 1972 present in a microprocessor. We are using a processor like Intel processor. Okay, Cordial processor. All they are the processor of a computer. So these are the using microprocessor. Okay, and this example like a laptop, desktop, all these things. Laptop, desktop. Okay, these are the example of fourth generation, and the fifth generation will be the artificial intelligence. Fifth generation is like present and beyond. Present and beyond. Okay. So these are the like supercomputer. Okay. Normally we are not every day using a supercomputer. Supercomputer is used for the any research level. Okay, so these are the fifth generation, total 5 generation of a computer. Okay, first generation is a vacuum tube, second generation is a transistor, third generation is a integrated circuit. Okay, fourth generation is a present and microprocessor, you can lay laptop or desktop. This is a fourth generation computer, and fifth generation is a present and beyond like a artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are all the history about of a computer chapter 1. Okay, or very small chapter, and only the important part is the generation of a computer. Okay, first to 1 to 5 generation okay, 1940 to present. Okay, see how the changes in develop in our computer field. Okay, so these are the generation of computers. So thank you so much, and Jai Swaminarayan.